YouTube channel after a long time, uh, live on the YouTube. And currently we are at location in Bangalore-Mysore Road, which is called as, there is an industrial estate, Kumbalgodu Industrial Estate. And as you have seen in our shots, we are doing a full-fledged warehouse here with the steel structure and with the Birla Aerocon external and internal and mezzanine floor with the Aerocon walls as the slab. So this total walls, what we have used, now if you can see here, the external walls. Now we'll do some kind of comparison with the pricing of the Birla Aerocon walls. 75 walls, assuming supply and installation at 160 rupees per square feet. So the total area is more or less around 20,000 square feet. So for a 20,000 square feet, with the supply, transport, unloading, lifting and installation like this, will cost you, for a 20,000 square feet area, we can charge 160 rupees per square feet. The cost may come around 32 lakhs for the installation of this wall panel. Now if you see here, when we compare it with the conventional brick masonry 9-inch wall, average cost rate, material plus labor, assuming here at this location as 200 rupees per square feet, the cost may vary at different locations based on the labor availability. So assume here the material as 130 rupees per square feet and labor as 70 rupees per square feet. So if you see in that context, the cost, whatever the area is there, you please comment if the cost is less at your area, or if it is more also, please comment on this one, so that we can understand what are the pricings at different locations. Now if we compare 200 rupees per square feet for the 9-inch wall, if you see here, the total cost for 20,000 square feet will be around 40 lakh rupees. So there is a difference of 8 lakh rupees when compared to the big machinery, which is nothing but the 20% saving of the cost. Apart from the cost saving, the construction speed is also 3 to 4x faster, less labor requirement, then more floor area when compared to the 75 and when compared with the 75 and the 9-inch wall, you get more space area, then curing is not required. As this wall is also a lightweight, it reduces load on the foundation, and also they have got better insulation capacity, and they are all eco-friendly. And also, unlike like the brick and all, it doesn't require any curing for 7 days or 20 days, something like that. So if you see here, the height of the structure for this up to this part, it is 26 feet height, center height, and the side height as 13 feet up to this mezzanine and 10 feet on the top. And also here we have used here 50 wall panels as the mezzanine floor on the top. We have used it. So we have multiple options. Mustafa Hussain, yes, you can build a 2-floor also, sir. Prefab in first, yes, you can build, sir. We have done, there are many videos of us, you can see. We have done 2 floors on a 20-year-old building at Masap Tank location in Hyderabad. We have done. You can take my contact number 8179600941 and you can call. I can share you the building. You can go and see. It's not a big deal. We can do it, not a problem. You need to have a proper execution team who has got the execution experience and the challenges what they can face in doing this kind of things. So 2 problems is, one is the water leakage, the other is the load bearing. If somebody cracks this one, this is a very good building material which is going to rule in the coming future. This material is there since last 20 years also, but people, they haven't got expertise in doing a turnkey solution. So that is why this method has not become so popular as it has to be. So that's for Mr. Mustafa Hussain. And coming to our site here, if you see, this is a total around 10,000 square feet area is there with multiple requirements of the client. Foundation scope was with the client, and rest of the steel structure, internal, external walls, this mezzanine floor, then the top roofing, in plumbing is in our So yes, it is earthquake friendly, sir. If these panels, or if you just go in Google and check, the drywall panels are earthquake resistant. They are not earthquake friendly. They are earthquake resistant. Let me try. If you see this, just so nothing happened to this wall. Okay, so nothing to worry. Uh, these are all some good materials only. As I said, you should have a proper team, sir. If they don't install it properly, then you cannot blame for the material. You can blame for the existing execution team. So that's it. So here we have used, this is a very 42 feet span. I have just come live on Instagram channel also. If you search my Simply Prefab Instagram channel, there also I have just gone live and have explained lot of details. Again, I am explaining on a YouTube live also. If you see, this is a very 42 feet span. None of the place you can see these columns except this one. This was supposed to be there, and if you see here, there are no columns in between, and also here in this total, if you see here, there are no columns. So the main challenge was to maintain the load capacity and also uh, optimized steel we have to use. That was a big challenge. And regarding Mr. Pavan, how about the water leakage and durability? Water leakage, there are other videos if you see, or you ping on my WhatsApp, I'll share you. Waterproofing we are doing without any leakage. If there are any cases of leakage even after handovering the site, then we will attend and we'll rectify it. If there is any material failure or if there is any damage done by the client, then we take the service charges and we'll do it. Durability wise, these panels are there since 25 years. So I don't think that the durability part is something issue which you should worry on. And also, the one more important point is when you call the Birla company or any other manufacturing company, they have the manuals only up to using the wall as an internal walls only. So when you ask them much queries like whether can we use it for an external wall and all that, they may not answer your query. As per the manual, they say that it cannot be used for the external walls, and also they may not approve or agree for this kind of the paneling as the slab. So which we accept that there is no such rule by the company. It's our tried and tested method where we are giving, based on our work and experience, we are giving the confidence, we can say, or it's general public or it's a general common sense. If you can see, this is not any new method which we are doing. It's an old method only. This kind of 2 feet gap, if you see back 100 years back or maybe 50 years back, if you see uh, something like an old structure like Falaknuma Palace or any of your grandparents' houses, if you see, this instead of this our 2x4 channels or pipes, whatever the combination we have used it, you used to find, you will find this wood of the same size, like the same spacing, and also you will find the beam also in the sides like this, and also in the middle. So I have seen many structures like this where the old structures have been done like that, and on top of this wooden this thing they have laid either concrete or what we can say the madras slab or different kind of materials they have put. So that structures they have remained intact for many years. So here people are doubting about the something like a ready-made wall panel of the cement, fly ash, fiber, calcium oxide, all this something which is done by R&D, and they have used it. So if you see in the 60, 80 years back also, the side walls have been used with the mud. So they are much better when compared to these panels are much better when compared to that kind of material. So the durability part and all that, nothing to worry. So we can give here the provision for something like this, you know, what do we say, the windows, doors, as it is, whatever the height we want, we can use it. There is no such restriction. We can use height of 10 feet, 13 feet, 14 feet, 20 feet. You need to have a very good execution team who can work with reliability and commitment, who can complete the project. Most of the panels are available with many companies, and anyone is getting these panels and they are doing this work. And because of some issues like the payment and the price and all, so there is no reliability in doing this kind of works. So you have to be careful, and you have to do due diligence in doing this kind of the things. Check the background, visit the sites, check the office address, website, contact details, check the conduct of the person who has done the background, education, all that we have to see, and we have to do. Unlike, yeah, we sometimes we will bear the brunt of the other people who have done. So people assume we also something like that, and just by putting the contact details on the videos, and the people will start calling and asking for the prices. This is a very tailored fit project which nobody can give any price without having the plan. Now if you see here, there is no column, the steel will be different, height is different, so people generalize and ask in comparison with the other traditional buildings, so which we will not be able to give you the pricing unless and until if you have a proper floor plan. And that is why also we are charging for the clients, because it requires time and effort. So all those things are going on. So if you see here, this is a 10 feet height. In the center height is a 12 feet, and again the side height as the 10 feet. You see here, this is a 13 feet height from this side, and from that side it is 26 feet height. So work is going on. I just came here to verify the things, to see, and there are some changes, and for verification all that I have done here. So we'll get little time to do all these kind of videos and all. And so visit our website, take my number, WhatsApp, follow up if you need something. If you are in urgency, take a paid service, visit our office, take the appointment and get the things done, instead of you are going to a wrong person and losing your time and money. So it's all waste of time. So thank you so much, and thank you Mr. Mustafa and Pawan for raising these queries. All this already addressed, but anyhow, thanks again. You have asked all these kind of things, and people will come to know. And have a good day. Thank you so much.